What's going on, everybody? Welcome to a new vlog, and if you are new to the channel, welcome. We are just gonna go have some fun. I'm gonna spend time with the kids, just let them go out on this hot summer day, just to get some energy out. And we're gonna show you what this channel is about, and it's about family, doing things together, experiencing things together. So let's go. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
What? Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. All right, we just got to the place. I decided to take them to a trampoline park, so that should get them some fun time and get some energy out. So let's go check out this place. They always have fun when we go to this kind of places, any kind of like indoor adventure type. So let's go check it out. Let's go and have some fun later. So we just checked in, got our waivers and all that. We got our socks, we got our wristband. Show me your wristband. Alright, so we're just gonna take our shoes off, put our socks on, and we're gonna go have some fun.
Bom dia, mais dia maravilhoso nessa terra. Bom dia. Bom dia, mais dia maravilhoso nessa terra. Bom dia. Mais dia maravilhoso nessa terra. Bom dia, mais dia maravilhoso nessa terra. Bom dia. Mais dia maravilhoso nessa terra. Bom dia. Eu amo mais natureza. Bom dia. Nunca imaginei que ia ser.
Okay, so that was our trampoline adventure. They had fun running around, jumping, and rolling, and all the other stuff that they've done in the trampoline park. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I got them a little icy just to cool off. They got tired before the time ends, so show them.
Blue raspberry.
What you got?
Blue raspberry.
So did you have fun?
Mm-hmm.
What did you like about it?
That we got to jump
Yeah?
and play dodgeball.
Oh yeah, we could play dodgeball too, huh? What about you? What did you like about it?
Playing and getting Snoopy.
Cool. So that's that. Now we're just gonna go get a late lunch. It's almost 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and we're gonna go to a drive-thru. They're saying that we're gonna do a little challenge. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go through drive-thru and order whatever the car is in front of us ordered. So same exact thing. So I hope they order something good, that we don't waste food. But we're still gonna eat it though, even though if it's not our favorites, right? What do you guys think of this challenge?
It's okay.
It's okay?
Some side.
How about you? You think it's gonna be fun? Are you gonna eat it? You better eat it.
Good and bad.
I know, huh? It's exciting. Alright, so we're gonna go to they pick Wendy's, so I hope I'm crossing my fingers that they ordered something good. So, or I hope no one's there so we can order our own thing. So let's go. Okay, we're getting close, but I'm a little worried actually. So hopefully the people in front of us ordered something good, so we can at least enjoy it. But it's a lot of dance. So let's see what they order. Oh, there is people in there. I see them. I hope they ordered like 3 meals.
No, 4 meals.
3 meals. There's only 3 of us here.
But Mama might go out and get lunch.
Oh man, this is kind of. I hope they order some. Oh, there's only 1 person in the car. No! Hopefully she orders more than 1 meal. If not, we're screwed. We gotta go hungry. We're just gonna eat 1 meal. So let's wait and see. Okay, it is our turn to order. So hopefully she ordered something good. Okay, here we go. It's our turn to order. Hi, I'm Dr. Wendy. How you doing?
Doing good, how are you?
Good. Can I just order the same item, whatever the car in front of us ordered?
The half-size apple pecan and small Coke?
Yes, that'd be fine.
Anything else?
That'd be it.
Alright, so it's going to be on the second window.
Thank you.
Thank you.
No! This lady in front of us ordered a apple pecan salad with a small Coke.
Oh,
So we're gonna be sharing salad for lunch. No kids meal for this kids. What do you guys think of that?
I like salad anyway.
You like salad?
Only the leaves.
Okay, the leaves. What about you, Val? What do you think of that order? Well, we're gonna have to eat it anyway because we don't waste food in this family. You gotta eat every single leaf of that salad and pretend to enjoy it if you don't like it. But we're still gonna eat it. So this was our first, what is this challenge called?
Whatever the person in front of us decides what we eat.
So there you go. So I guess we're gonna go home and enjoy it. And thank you again for joining us on this adventure. Join us on the next one. Give us a thumbs up. Make sure you do subscribe and turn on the notification bell for the next adventure. And Sister Wolf wants to say something.
Give me it.
Come on.
Give me the camera.
No, I can't reach.
Boom.